In Iowa, the owner of a dog shall be liable to an injured party for all damages done by the dog attacking or attempting to attack or bite a person, except when the party damage is doing an unlawful act. For example, someone breaking into a home is not allowed to recover if he or she is bitten or attacked by a dog. This is a lower standard than other personal injury cases where you have to prove negligence, recklessness, or other gross misconduct. If you're able to prove this, then you should receive damages for past and future medical expenses, lost wages, loss of quality of life, permanent injuries such as scarring, and loss of consortium depending on the circumstances. Here's what we consider to be 3 of the 5 secrets to not damage your dog bite case. These secrets are based upon our experience and discussion with many judges, jurors, and attorneys. Number 1, tell your doctor everything that hurts. One of the most critical pieces of evidence is how you feel and how your injuries have affected your ability to function on a daily basis. Your doctor is required to keep accurate and detailed records of your medical history and care. These records include your description of how you were injured, your physical complaints, and your injuries. The doctor's examination findings and the treatment you received. The insurance company will base its offer to you on this critical information. If you fail to tell the doctor everything that hurts, not only will it not be treated properly, but also no one will know about it. If you first begin to complain about some problem weeks or months after you were hurt, the insurance company will claim that the problem was not from the accident and reduce their settlement offer to you. Failing to see a physician regularly is the second thing to avoid. Evidence that you have fully recovered to the insurance company, eventually perhaps to the jury. While you should not go to the doctor every day, you do need to see your doctors and tell them if you're still having problems. If your doctor says follow-up is needed, that means to come back in a few weeks if you're still having problems. If you do not follow up, then in the eyes of the doctor, insurance company, and jury, you are no longer having problems and have made a full recovery. The third thing is to be careful of what you say. The insurance company and their lawyers will use anything and everything you tell them against you. And no matter what, do not lie. Even a small lie can ruin your credibility. The best policy is to always tell the truth. That way you will never have to worry about what you said. If you have a question about your dog bite matter and you do not have an attorney, you can call and ask to speak with me, Corey Walker.